Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hall of Meat. This exciting game mode in Skate 3 challenges you to perform the most epic bails imaginable. Your goal is to rack up massive damage and points by creatively falling and interacting with the environment. It's all about physics, precision, and a little bit of luck to achieve those top scores. Get ready to embrace the pain for ultimate glory. To start your Hall of Meat session, simply head to the main menu and select the dedicated Hall of Meat option. From there, you can dive into various challenges, each with unique objectives, or opt for a free play session to experiment. Choose your favorite skater and a location that promises plenty of obstacles and high drops. Remember, some challenges might ask you to break specific body parts, so aim carefully. Mastering your bails is key to high scores. To initiate a bail, simply press both trigger buttons on your controller at the same time while riding. Once airborne, use the left and right analog sticks to manipulate your character's body, aiming for impactful collisions. Try to hit objects, walls, and the ground with maximum force. Combining multiple impacts and rotations will earn you valuable bonus points and increase your score multiplier significantly. To truly dominate Hall of Meat, always look for elevated areas and steep ramps. These provide the height and speed needed for devastating falls. Don't shy away from environmental hazards like moving cars, sturdy walls, and sharp ledges, as they are perfect for inflicting massive damage. Experiment with various speeds and angles to discover the most effective bail trajectories. Remember, targeting specific body parts can also fulfill challenge objectives and boost your overall score.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.